I'm going to show you how to make this shaped number card. This one is specifically for graduates in 2023. If you go on my website, I'll drop the link in the description below. You can download the SVG file right here. So you just click on this button and you can see down in the lower left corner, it's saying that there is a shaped card SVG folder here. So I am going to go show in folder. Either that, or you can go to your PC and just navigate to your downloads folder. You can see right here that the preview for this folder has a little zipper on it. It is a zipped folder. That means we have to open that up so that we can get to the SVG file inside there. How to unzip a zipped folder is different for every device. So do a Google search on how to unzip for the device you're working with. With my computer, I can right click and go extract all. And then once I go extract, it put it in a folder here that I can open up. This is the actual SVG file. This is just a picture so that you see what it looks like. So now let's jump over to Cricut Design Space and we'll load that SVG file. We're going to start by just clicking upload, then upload image. Then we're going to browse and we're going to go back to our downloads folder and into the unzipped folder and then just double click on that SVG file. And you'll see it comes in and defaults straight to a cut image. That's because this is a true SVG file. Now we can just go upload, select it, and we know it's selected because it's got the green around it, and then say add to canvas. This is your layered SVG file. It comes in fully colored, fully layered. If you want to change the colors, you can totally do that. The one thing that you will have to do is add a score line. So this card is 7 inches wide. So we're going to go to Shapes and add a score line. And then we're going to rotate that score line 90 degrees and make it 7 inches. I made it 70. How about we go 7? So now our score line is 7 inches long. So I need to place that right across here so that it makes a nice crease. First, I am going to ungroup. That allows me to work with the pieces separately. I'm actually going to turn off the numbers so I can just have this white shaped card and the score line visible. And now I can take both of these, just drawing a window or a box around them, and go align, center. And then I'm going to want attach. Attach holds the placement and position of things. So when we click make it, that score line will stay attached in that exact location. So now I can turn back on the other pieces. And let's say arrange this to the back. Now we can hit make it. It will cut all the different pieces and score that score line. I'm not going to show the cutting portion of this. I'm just going to jump right into the assembly. Now we have all the pieces cut, and you can see on this white piece there is a score line, and I'm just going to fold that in half, and then I use my bone folder to kind of firm up that crease. And since I'm making 2 cards, I'm just going to fold everything right now so I'm ready to go. Next, I'm going to take the numbers, and there are 2 colors or 2 layers to every number. So I'm going to stack them on top of each other, and using my tape runner, just add some double-sided tape to the top layer and place it down on the bottom layer. Then once I have all of these numbers layered, I can just place the whole thing on the card. I'm going to just open up that card and lay it flat so that I can work with these pieces. And I like to place the first number and the last number because then I can kind of eyeball the spacing better for the center two numbers. And that's it. Our card is done. It's pretty easy, but the end results are super cute. When I first came up with the idea for this card, I couldn't decide if I liked the gold on the bottom or the gold on the top for the color combo. So I decided to do one each way. And then that way I can use the same card for two different people, but it's not the exact same card. You could very easily change this out for high school colors or college colors. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.